So here we are at El Loro, seeing 4.5 manzana. So it's more than 7 acres. And I'm on the river part. So it's a light river stream. We are at the beginning of the raining season. So here it's good. They are doing some construction and they use the sand of the river to mix it with concrete and cement to create the concrete. So it's like you can use the materials of the land. It's good. So upper part with ocean view. Over there is a well done of 10 meters. He has like 3 meters of water, so a large volume. And here is an access that they build to go on the river. So it might be flooding a lot when the rain is strong. For now it's fine. And here is the boundary. The east line of the property is just here. I'm on. Let's go back on the upper part.
Nice. You haven't seen this part before.
No.
Nice, eh?
Yeah, it's very nice.